What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build Break Fix. So seems like my co-host is running a bit late. So we'll just continue and hopefully can make it in time. Uh, just so you guys know that we are Raw Coders and we are online streaming every day from 9:30 and weekdays until 10, but on the weekends it's 9:30 to 11. So feel free to join us, and yeah, we really look forward to your to you to you guys coming and joining us. And so just a bit of a recap. Yesterday what we did was we did the we fixed the cause error that we were working on, which was to do with the post, the board name. It wasn't posting the uh, to the backend. So we managed to finish that. So today, what we are going to be doing is implementing the a function called getBoard name in the middleware, which would then interact with the function getBoard name in the backend Express app. All right. So that being said, let's get started and have some fun coding. All right. So just so you know that I've got two screens here. So if I'm looking in this direction, that means that I've got my big screen here, but the camera is here. So I really hope you don't mind. And just so you know that I've also ordered my green screen, which is hopefully coming very soon. So when that happens, I'll be using the camera that's on my big screen. So we like we are facing at the moment will be facing in that direction. All right, so you can straight away see me. All right, cool. So now with that said, I will share my screen and let's get started. All right, so this is the Amazon console. What I actually really want to do really quickly is just make sure that the board name is actually going in the back end. So from the front end to the back end. So it's actually been posted. So what I'm gonna do is do this. All right. So I'm gonna go to my middleware, which is this one, and let's start the app. So I'll do cd client. I'm not entirely sure you guys can see this. So I'll just zoom in a bit so you guys can see the code. Right, cool, brilliant. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is cd client, okay, and then Python. That one simple HTTP server. All right. So what that will do it is run the app on local server. So if I just open up the browser, all right, and visit the visit our app's homepage, I would say. Okay, and do testing 11/08 2021, which is today's date, and I'll just press post. What's happening? All right. Um, well, let's actually see if this even works. Right, because for some reason, based on experience, I doubt it will work. But I'm pretty sure we fixed this error yesterday. That one is our table. Yeah. So it's giving us error again. Alright. That's a bit unexpected. Actually, hang on. Is the API is the API right? Just want to check because it's not posting the data again, which is kind of a problem because it was doing it previously, but I'm not entirely sure why is it not doing it now. Ah, okay. I might not have the latest code. That would be my fault. So I'll just get do a git pull and see if I get any latest code. Substream get pull name. Okay, so I'm basically in some other branch, which is why it would be causing the problem. Duh, 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 duh. Come on, delete middleware. Okay, so we can try middleware implementation. Actually, middleware implementation board name and then post board. Let's try that. Git branch middleware implementation post board. I think this is the one that I'm supposed to be on, which has the latest change. Let's have a look. That one and git pull. Okay, I don't want to do any changes here. Right. Yeah, I'll do one thing. I will discard these changes that I did, because my co-host did this and I'm pretty sure I'm on the wrong branch. So let's try to undo all the changes and we can continue testing the posting of the board name, because I'm 100% sure that is working because we tried it last night and it was. Right. No, this this definitely isn't the one.
Hey Zen, can you hear
Oh,
me?
oh, hey, how we doing? You alright?
Yeah, sorry. I was
Welcome
actually
welcome to the stream.
yeah,
That's
nice.
alright.
What you doing?
I was just testing the board name that we did, but when I first tested it, it wasn't working. So it turns out that I was on the wrong branch. So I'm just
Yeah.
becoming up to date now,
Okay.
and I'm gonna test it again. Could you please
Oh, yeah. I'm,
mute
I'm
your
just doing that only.
notification?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do a git pull from that one because I remember K did a change
Hmm.
which I would want. So this would be it. Let's start this and I'm pretty sure it's working. It's just a matter of doing that again. Okay, hard refresh it and console. So test 1 to 3. Actually, I want to put today's date. 08, 2021. Let's check. Brilliant. I'm pretty sure it's worked. So now we can move on. Here we go.
Nice.
Like I said. All right. So I know we were gonna move on to the middleware implementation for the sorry, not the middleware implementation, the Gabboard ID in the
Yeah.
middleware implementation. Do you wanna take over now?
Um, I think
On
can you test it on Postman that if the backend is working
the
uh,
backend
for the
is
get post?
yes, it is working. I'm pretty sure because if the backend wasn't working, then the board name wouldn't be inserted into DynamoDB because the backend is actually what inserts the board name
No,
in
no,
the
no.
DB.
I'm talking about the function which gets the board with its name after being passed. I mean, of
With
course,
its
post is
name.
working, but there was a function called just get board ID,
Yeah.
which is supposed to get the board with its name, not its ID, its name.
Okay. Right.
So we were supposed to make that work in the backend.
But I thought we already did that.
Yeah, so I just wanna it'll be good that we can go ahead and test that and make sure it's working, then start working on its middleware. What do you say?
Oh, okay. With you now. So all you want to do is just test that new function
Yeah.
from Postman, as in within the backend API.
Yeah, yeah, because
Okay,
this was
cool.
like this not
Okay.
working was pretty surprising. So
Yeah,
if we
true,
do the
true.
middleware and
Yeah,
this doesn't work, then it'll be no use.
yeah, yeah. Totally agree with that. So I'll just open Postman and
Yeah.
see where this goes. Have you got water?
Yes.
Brilliant. Where's you look different.
Really? Do I? Oh, I'm not wearing glasses. I need to wear
Yeah.
glasses. One second. There you go.
Brilliant. There's the old Karthik. The normal old is gold Karthik. Brilliant. All right, let's just
How was
wait for
work today?
Postman to. Work was pretty hectic, man. As in, I wasn't
Oh,
expecting this. As in, there were too many urgent requests. As in,
hmm.
one after another, and I was like,
Yeah.
okay, this is what happens when you get a promotion. Interesting.
Yep.
Right. And by the way, did you send the request from Slack to integrate GitHub?
No.
Because I got a
Hmm.
request, someone asking to access our GitHub from the Slack app, but I just ignored it because I
Hmm.
didn't
Not at
know
all.
who that was.
Not even close.
All right, cool. That that's fine.
That's
Come on,
weird, though.
Postman. Yeah, yeah, it was weird to be honest. Come on, Postman. I don't have all night here. So was everything okay with you?
Yeah, yeah. Just like uni's on the go now, and Yeah, things pretty much good.
Cool.
Uh, I hate when it's raining, so
True. Okay, so I think I don't need, I think I need to update the API address.
yeah.
Middleware. There we go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the one.
There we go. And I want to get all the posts first. Um, all the boards first, and then
Yeah.
search them by name. Right, do that one. CSDA. Come on, show me some loving now. You did the last time. One again. Cool. So
Nice.
that works. So we can just
Yeah.
go over to the middleware now and
Yeah.
start implementing that.
Yeah, I'll take over from here, I guess.
Okay, cool. No
Yeah.
problem. Cool. If you
Alrighty.
wanna if you
Yeah.
wanna share your screen.
No one saw that.
No.
Hey, there we go. Oh boy. Always happens with me. Always.
Yeah, I know
Uh,
that feeling.
and my computer hangs at that moment.
Ah, wow. Just wow.
It's fine. It's gonna take some editing again. Okay. Scramble enhancement.
So I've already made a separate branch, so you might want to
Oh,
use that.
okay. I'll pull it and see what we have.
It's called Get Board. Right. I think you probably want to create a new one
Yeah. Really? Okay.
because yeah, because at the moment I'm not 100% sure how to merge two branches. Um, and I don't really want to waste time on that one.
Okay. But surely you'll be able to figure it out, right?
Yeah, yeah, of course, of
Okay.
course. Yeah.
So how do you make
So
a branch again? Check out,
just
right?
um yes, so you would want to check out and then the branch name. So
Right.
just say get board, whatever you want to call it, but
Mm-hmm.
give you a really meaningful name so we can identify easily.
Wow. Restarting terminal.
Because the
Okay.
connection to the show was lost. Wow, you have got many tabs open,
Yeah,
man.
that's probably causing it. Give me 1 second.
Cool.
I think I'll close them. That's for the best.
Hmm. I'm pretty sure you've got M1, isn't it?
Okay. Why is my
You're
computer
frozen.
hanging? This is the first
You're
time that's happening. Okay. Let's close Microsoft Teams as well. It takes a lot of space.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me 1 second.
Wow, man, I can tell how many apps you have. Your
Hmm.
your bar actually goes through the entire screen.
Beyond.
Wow. How do you work in that way?
I'm
As
trying
in,
to.
I find it really hard.
Yeah, I just don't like closing stuff. I always have this like thing in my back of my mind that what if I need that tab?
then you can go back again to it in the
It's hard
history.
to. It's hard.
Come on.
Never,
Come on, Kay.
never open history. All right, that's
For your
fine. I
engineers,
got this game.
we have
Okay.
problems to we have solution to every problem.
Yeah, that's true. Oh boy.
Wow, it's really testing your internet connection at the moment.
Mm. Yeah, I can tell.
Maybe close all the apps you don't need because that
Yes.
consumes CPU power as well.
Yeah, that's true. That's what I'm doing. Don't need you, Outlook.
Wow.
What do you want? No. All right. All right. Okay. Now we're talking.
Cool. Brilliant.
Can you see my screen being smooth now?
Yeah, it's a lot smoother, but I can see all the untidiness in the background, as in everything is on your desktop.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway, all right.
Hmm.
Let's.
Yeah, let's
Did you
back.
create the branch
Yeah, just one sec.
and where?
Even VS Code is being weird.
Dude, I don't think this VS Code is being where you have just got too much open. That's all.
Trust me, it
Come on,
is.
admit it. Admit it.
Okay, middleware. Get board
Name.
by name.
Yeah. Did um check out. Oh, you forgot to do -b after the checkout. So that's for
Minus B.
sure for branch, I think. After the checkout.
Oh,
As in git checkout -b, I think it should be. Yeah, try that. Here we go. Cool.
oh, I'm already there.
Just check it out. So what checkout does is makes the branch and
Got it.
switches over as well. 2-in-1.
So be sure that I'm in the right branch. Yes.
You
Mhm.
really have to get item, man. It's a lot easier and
Oh, yeah.
readable. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you seen my terminal, right?
Sorry.
Have you seen my terminal, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
item. Okay.
That's good.
Right. So what are we gonna do now? I'll just get a bit of water, but you continue.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm back.
Nice. Seeing how to request post with a fetch post with a request body.
Why are we posting it?
Oh, yeah. That's my bad.
Let me get a request.
I don't see the code. This is not it.
Go up. It was there.
This one?
And no, the second link, free code camp link.
This is what I just opened. It was nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because the title says it how to do a get request.
Yeah, sure. I'm pretty sure.
That's
Let's see
interesting.
where it
Slowly,
gets.
slowly.
Okay.
Post. Do a control F. I mean command F and get. There you go.
Wait. That wasn't a get function because it would have written like method type get.
Oh, okay, cool. Right.
Yeah. That's why I already looked through it. There was nothing in this.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Wow, I really admire your scanning speed, to be honest. It's
Welcome to
really
you.
as yeah,
Welcome to uni, I guess.
true. Right, that's
Okay.
post. We don't need that.
Actually, it's just a get with this body, I guess. Let me try that.
Yeah, okay, cool. Fetch URL. Um, lowercase body.
Mhm. All right.
Board name.
I can get the board name from here.
We might want to create. I mean, not yet, but continue. In the future, we might want to refactor the value variable as a
Sorry.
global
Yeah,
variable.
we'll do it
Yeah,
afterwards. Let's make
yeah,
this work
yeah.
right now. Um,
After get, you need a comma.
yeah, right. Mm, and we need the headers. Which will be same. And I need to store this somewhere, right? Mm, First, I need to. Mm, oh,
Um, go down.
yes. No, got it. It was after this one. Now it'll work.
semicolon. Semicolon after the bracket probably. No?
Mhm.
There's one more curly braces you need.
Here.
Yes, there we go. Okay, that's fine. We can make the code look a bit sexy when it works.
Yeah, yeah. If you want, I can do it right now. That's fine.
That's exactly what I was after. Yeah, cool. Anyway, yeah, that's fine.
Right, no error here.
Um, we should catch the error as well if there's, isn't it?
Sure.
Yeah, just check it and see if it works.
Yeah. Okay.
It's console.log. Hang on a minute. I would have to give you one of the board names because we need to get that board name.
Oh yeah. It's ABC, right?
Just
Actually, I can give the board name right now. Wait.
it's SDA.
Okay. All right.
SDA. Yeah.
Actually, I don't need to because this will post the board first. Actually, this function isn't being called right now.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. That makes sense.
So what we can do is,
We probably need an switch statement in the go method that would
can,
check if
can we just call it for once, like right now? See what happens.
yeah, of course. Yeah.
So this will return something, right?
This should return a current board. Return response, I would say. It should return a response.
Now I'm calling it from here.
Okay, cool. Right.
Yeah. So it's just doing message passing between function.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Good. My name. Actually, I need to pass in value from here then. And
And the parameter there. Value.
this resolves our value problem
Yeah.
as well. Do you write var here? I'm not sure.
No.
Is this
No,
fine?
you don't. Yeah, this is fine. But we need to use value in the board name. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
Mhm.
And this will return. So I'll do a console. Right. What do you think?
Hopefully.
So it's posting the board first. So if I do anything, it will work.
Actually, you know what?
Yeah, I'll comment that. I don't want
Comment
to
the
put.
post
Hmm.
method out because they're just
You're
no
right.
use for now.
SDA.
SDA. Yeah. Yeah. Do that.
Oh, okay. We have something
We're
that
just
didn't work.
getting all the boards, which is if you go down in the middleware and actually go to home home.html
Mhm.
and over there can you see on line 34 it says it's got two methods.
Mhm.
Get rid of the get boards for now we don't need that.
Right.
Yeah, that's it. I'll try it.
Is that causing the problem?
Um, it's just bringing the data that we don't want to see,
Okay.
basically.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Let me do a alert. This was called. Let's see what's up.
This was called
What?
okay. Request. It can't have a body. Get can't have a body.
What?
Request with get slash head method can't have a body. It says it.
No. Then how do we post? How do we give it our board name?
Hang on. I'm gonna have to Google this.
Mm-hmm.
Get request in fetch API. How to use the fetch API to get data. Right. Ajax, no fetch URL. Call from button, sure, button again, authors, cache response. We wanna give it the board name. Maybe it wouldn't be in the body. Maybe it might be in the request object. There we need to use it from there.
Okay. How do I do that? Just 1 second. Do you wanna take 5 minutes and just go through the internet?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Um,
You will basically read the response stream.
hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, this is probably exactly what you're saying, right?
yeah.
It's good. How has he done it?
Um. You know how we are passing in the backend the board name in the URL?
Yeah.
Think we might have to use a separate URL in the GET request, but append the board name to that in that way.
So you wanna use like just for the get board, you wanna use a separate URL?
By separate, I mean that the URL will still be the same, but it will only have the value that's coming from the front end appended to it. If that makes sense to you.
Right, in the URL. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. So if you go back to the
But
middleware,
so that means are we
huh?
changing our API design?
No.
I
Why?
um so
What makes you say that?
you wanna send the board name in the URL instead of the board ID? Is that what you're saying?
No. So you know how you press you type in the board name and then press go?
Yeah.
Go back in the API, fetch API.
Hmm.
Um, you know how you attach the URL there on
Yep.
line 80?
Yeah.
Because at the moment, in the backend is taking the board name from the URL, as in appended
Right.
to the URL. What I'm thinking there, maybe append the value of the board name to the URL. So say for example plus and then value, or plus slash value, slash and then value. So yeah, do plus slash in quotes as a string,
Mhm.
and then plus again, yeah, value. I'm just thinking
Yeah.
um that might be a kind of a way, but I'm not entirely sure if it would work.
But I'm
What
like
do you
pretty
think?
sure if there's fetch API, there would be a way to like get particular stuff, right? Like scan particular stuff in the database. And to get stuff, you always don't get all of the stuff.
Okay,
So
so the role of fetch API isn't to scan the database. It doesn't do that.
okay.
It
Now
just
we're
connects.
not scanning the
Yeah,
database like just to pass parameters to help the backend scan.
right, right. I
So
see.
that's what I'm kind of taking that
Yeah,
there must be a way to pass parameters, right?
yeah,
There has to be. It's
yeah.
an API. So
I mean, this is just a kind of a really lazy way to do what we want to
nah,
do,
don't be
but
lazy. Zach. I think
yeah,
we
no,
we just started
yeah,
to get this problem, so we
true,
haven't even spent 5 minutes, so we can try
yeah,
getting on top of it.
okay, um,
Yeah,
that that's fine. Think,
I'm just thinking. So we can't post to a body. Is there any way we can use
oh,
the? Yeah,
we, you know how we did in the Express app, as in request or params, and then the attribute.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
In the Express app,
Mm-hmm.
when we wanted to post or get things, we looked up in the request object, as in request.params.
Yeah.
Remember?
Right. Yeah. 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 I'm kind of getting
Yeah,
there. Yeah.
I think we could use something similar to that here.
Yeah. So like it'll be somewhere around here that we
Yeah.
passed the value in the request object and get the board auto accordingly.
Um. Yes. So maybe remove the body and
Alright, yeah.
just console log what do we get in the res. Actually, it should basically be a request object, not a response.
Hmm.
Or it should be a response, not a request. Uh, Try console logging the response,
Oh.
and then we can see where we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Only hard refresh. SDA.
This was called. Okay, cool. Here. Ah,
Wait, what's
there
this
we
one?
go. So that is actually bringing our
No, no,
board.
no. That's console.log, the JSON. Oh, wait, it is, isn't it?
It is. It is.
Oh, nice.
So what we want to do is,
But wait. How? Oh, I know how. Oh wait, no, that doesn't make sense.
yeah, that
That does not make any sense. We don't
I
have
mean,
this function.
what do you mean function?
We don't have
That's not a
any.
function.
No. Like in the backend, we don't have any controller which takes this as a parameter with like value.
It does.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, that's true.
Board name.
Oh yeah, then that's it. Problem solved.
But I told you that's a lazy way, and you don't really wanna do it that
Yeah,
way.
that's true. Um,
Okay,
yeah,
how about if we leave it
leave it.
at that
Yeah,
for now?
yeah,
Because we kind of really want to finish the basic functionality and then thinking of the standards and everything.
yeah. But what I'll do is I'll put this in peer review in Jira for now. This
Yeah,
particular
yeah,
ticket.
yeah. Do that.
Um, right. Okay, log me out.
Cool.
Log. Oh, not this one. Log me out, Jira. Log me to
Wow.
this account. Yeah,
Oh
that's
boy.
like school account. Um,
Get board function. Yeah,
done.
that one's done. Where's the? I thought that
Oh
was
wait.
gonna go to a peer
Yes,
review.
that's going to appear.
So create another one and just add a bit of a description. What is the peer review? As in, what part of
Yeah.
this task needs a peer review? Take the particular. Wouldn't say a workaround, but effective way.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
I'll unsign it from me right now. All right.
You might want to change the function to get board name instead of
Get board by name, I
get
guess.
board. Yeah, yeah, get board by. Um, can you put the B of that in uppercase? Get board by. It's a camel case thing.
Pretty sure I did it be small. Are you gonna
Uh,
do me
so
be
can you
capital here?
change it here
Yeah.
as well? Yeah, cool. Get
Alrighty.
board by name. Cool. So if you want to go back to the diagram you did the other day, have you still got it?
Yeah, pretty sure I saved it on Drive.
Brilliant. Let's just copy and paste that into that task in
One
that case.
second. Pretty sure it's this one. There we go.
Yeah.
I'll take a screenshot. That's easier.
Uh-huh.
You want me to make it here?
Uh, on that peer review one. No, sorry.
Yep.
Get board by name. Uh, make the backend talk to the front end. That one.
Alrighty.
Yeah, just on that. and this would be just to get the board,
Yeah,
get the
yeah.
board by name.
Oh, you wanna do this just for get board by name? Then we'll do it in that one only.
Cool.
Um, it's only relevant for this one.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Okay,
Cool. Done.
that's all done
Sweet.
and good. Cool. What's the next one? Let's see. Oh wait, why didn't we put this in progress? This whole thing is in
True.
progress.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Okay, that one's done.
get a specific board. This, but we already have this ticket.
Okay, so from the back end to the front end.
Okay,
Go
this
into
is,
that. What does it say? What? Get specific both from the front end to the
yeah. I'll delete this ticket. This is redundant.
comments.
I'll delete this one.
Think it's your friend.
Sorry.
Hi. Think your friend commented. Ansh
Yeah.
Lufra.
Hey, Anj, how's it going? Wait. Okay. Um, I think I'll go ahead and delete this one.
No, don't delete that. Just put description on that it's a duplicate one.
What's the point of keeping it? We already have this working.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
delete it.
That'll just create
Delete.
confusion that there is a ticket
Just
left.
just visible from the front end to the. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
That's just the redundant one. So I'll go ahead and delete
Yeah,
this.
cool. All right,
Um,
that one's
this is
done.
done. Post
Postboard
me note.
name.
So let's go to
Post.
notes now. What do you say?
Nope. We need to do delete. No. That's to assign to someone. Delete
Do you want to
unknown.
do boards first? Like, do you want to do delete board first?
No. Delete board is already of assigned to someone else, as in an other member of the team. So I want him to
Even in the
work on that
middleware?
one. So when you say delete the board from the database, is that by name or by ID? I think it
Oh
would be
boy.
by. We need to change few
You
things
need to change the
in the
whole
Express.
API.
Yeah. Wow.
The next
Wow.
ticket should
Okay.
be change the API
Change the whole API. All right.
about
Never mind.
mission.
All right. Do a ticket.
Okay.
Just check in the ticket of no, go back to the list of those child issues. Just want to check one thing.
Oh, there you go.
uh, Going to delete a board from the database. Okay, yeah.
Right.
So which means that we should add another child task.
To
Delete
this,
a uh, delete a board from the database. Um, from the database.
I think there will be a whole new task which will be just like making sure the API is updated. Like we need to change the API design, right? So
Yeah,
we need to change every single function to work with board name.
yeah,
At least that's
yeah,
what we think. Or what we can do is we can change the backend function and then connect the middleware as we go.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do, as in one step at a time.
Yeah.
If you wanna create another, so go back, delete abroad, and rename that task.
Which one?
So in the child issues, rename that task to delete abroad from the database by name.
Okay. But wait, is that a middleware function or is it a because now we have two places where this needs to be implemented?
Yes, so that's what I was gonna say. Put a
I'll say
hyphen
backend.
and then do um middleware.
Oh, I'll say MW for middleware. Is that fine?
Yes,
Okay,
but
fine.
no,
There you go.
no. I was just thinking that this is
Yeah.
assigned to Tanesh Paneer, and he
Hmm,
might not understand what MW means.
that's true.
Okay, so now we would have to create another task, as in a child task, which would be the same but for the backend.
Which would be same. What? Oh, yeah. Hmm,
Actually, okay,
hmm,
since you're really proficient at this Jira, I think
hmm.
from going forward, as I want to learn this as well, how about
Yeah.
if I do
Yeah.
this and you can just keep on guiding me if I'm
Sure.
doing it
Yeah, yeah,
properly
I'll
or
do
not.
that.
Hmm.
You wanna take
Cool.
over right now, or do you wanna do it next time?
Actually, I'll take over now
Okay.
because it would be a good practice for
All
me.
right. Allow your screen. There you go. Actually, we
Jira.
just have 1 minute left, so let's do this.
Yeah, yeah,
Call it a
true.
night.
Uh, what?
Our
I want to
website is.
sign in.
You
I
need to
want to
sign in
sign
through
in.
the website. It's roadcoder.atlassian.net.
Oh, right. I see. Yeah, there you go.
No, first step to learning how to sign in.
Exactly. Okay, cool. So go in that one.
Hmm.
Come on, Jira, show me some quick loving.
Come on, Zen. New internet time.
I'm on a really tight spot at the moment, mate, so putting a hold to that.
You got a promotion. Come on. We need
Yeah,
new.
but that doesn't mean that expenses decrease though.
That's
Expenses
true.
increase because I told my parents and they said, okay, we need this much every month. And I'm like,
Oh,
cool. So it's not easy like being
that's.
an elder son. All right.
Hmm.
So delete. So I would add a child issue.
Wait, we already added the child issue. There it is.
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
cool. So all I need to do is
The last one. No, no, no.
delete.
It's already there.
Oh,
I just didn't
okay,
rename
cool.
it. I didn't rename
Right.
it.
I see. Second. Cool. And I just do this, and there you go. And this I can assign that to myself.
Hmm.
Cool. That's done.
Yep.
Okay, delete a board from the. Okay, cool. So The next one we're going to be starting from this one.
Yeah,
So
it's
I'll
already
just
in
do this
progress.
in. Okay,
I
cool.
put it in front.
Perfect. All right. This is it for today,
Yeah.
I guess.
For tomorrow, that was good that we sorted the Jira board. Um,
Yeah,
that was really necessary.
exactly. Yeah.
But now we're on track and we'll
Mm.
follow the board from tomorrow. Cool. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow, and it was a good session.
Yeah, have some fun and was productive as well. And yes, see you guys tomorrow back, same time, same place, and
Different
different
task.
task.
Cool. Thanks and see ya.
Cool. Cheers. Bye.